Just give me a time. Just start meeting people and
Only 17 people are there. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Dansena.
Guys, what do you mean by loop?
Abhishek Dansena. Ananta Krishna Nayak.
Loop. Just English definition of loop.
Dude, I'm not able to. Who's talking?
What do you mean by loop? I'm not bringing programming concepts here, just general definition of a loop. Guys, someone respond. Pushkar, Nitin, Pooja, Pushpa, Monisha, Nishant. What do you mean by loop? Am I audible first of all?
Yes, sir, audible.
What do you mean by loop? Basic thing, man. If you want, you can answer in Hindi also. I will translate that one.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
So
Sir,
anything which
repetition
repeats,
of
sir.
something, sir.
Okay, next repetition. We'll be repeating. We'll be repeating. Next. Rapa.
Sir, disturbance ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ sir. Sir, good afternoon. So disturbance from your end, sir. I think the network problem.
Yes, what do you mean by loop?
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
Yes, guys, here in a program, in a program,
Yeah, sir. Tell me, sir. No,
if I want to execute anything for a particular number of times, if I want to execute anything for a certain number of times, okay,
Yeah, sir.
can I use looping statements?
So today we are going to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you want to
Yes.
execute anything over a certain number of times,
Teach you the write a
can we use
PHP
loops?
program for do the following
See here,
questions whatever we have.
in programming, we have loops, guys.
So this already we have seen the simple calculator operations by
So
using the
in programming, what we can use loops. In that first one, what we are going to do is we are going to use a thing called as for loop.
So now we
Like
are going to
see here, I want to just print Srikanth 10 times.
we have addition.
See here, I want to print Srikanth 10 times. Is it better to use 10 printf or use one looping statement in such a way that it is going to execute 10 times? Which is better?
That we need to find out in the
Sir,
transpose.
for loop will be better, sir.
Huh?
For loop will be better, sir.
How about others?
Next thing is we have to find the multiplication of two matrices. So we have a matrix A and then matrix.
What about others?
We need to find out the multiplication. And the fourth one is
See here, the for loop, the syntax goes like
so they may ask you the question in exam also, and they may ask you two sub questions, or they may ask you three sub questions also. Write a PHP.
it has three things.
Transpose of the matrix.
See here,
This is what we need to do. So first of all, one thing is
in C, the for loop has three things, guys. First, initialization.
everything is A, B, C, D only. First
We are supposed to initialize.
next we have to write a
And next, what we are supposed to do is first is let me.
we can find out by giving all these three.
Initialization.
Today I'll show you how to.
The second one is condition checking.
I'll show you.
And checking. And third one, increment or decrement. See here, for loop starts from the word for, divided by semicolons. First, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to initialize. First is initialization. Second is condition checking. Condition checking.
ಏನು ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಹಾಂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್, increment or decrement? Increment or decrement. For initialization, condition checking, increment or decrement. So let me show the Google one. See, I'll go through this definition. A loop is a repetition control structure. A loop is a repetition control structure which allows us to write a loop that is executed specific number of times. It enables us to perform a number of steps together in one line. This last line is more meaningful, guys. The loop enables us to perform number of steps together in one line. The syntax is for initialization, condition, updation. I have used decrement or increment. So here you are going to use initialization, condition checking, and updation, increment or decrement.
Only very less people are required. Very less people are required.
Go through this one just for initialization, condition checking, updation. I can show you better images than this one. See here, with an example, I am going to explain to you people. We'll see. See program. Play. Control V. It's going to print hello world 10 times, guys. See here, hello world.
Sir, the screen is not shared, I guess, sir.
Okay. Now I'll share. Actually, it was being shared. I close it. That one. Hello world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, the numbers are used. I have used to let you know how many times that will be printed. Printf, see here, hello world has been displayed 10 times, guys. Is the screen visible now?
Yes, sir, visible.
See here, the same, in the same program, what I have done is I have printed hello world 10 times. Now the question for me is, sir, I don't want to use printf 10 times. I will use only printf one time. I need to print the hello world 10 times or 100 times for that matter. Is it possible? Yes, guys, it is possible through the for loops. Through the for loop. For loop is for initialization, condition checking, and updation. Okay. Let us see how to write a program for that one. See here, guys. How many times allow E section has been printed? 1, 2. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See here. Otherwise, allow. I. Here. Can't. Yes. I, Mr. Srikanth. Let me execute it. Let me print it 3 times. See here how many times Srikanth will be printed. I, Mr. Srikanth S. I, Mr. Jarvik Srikanth. I'm going to display it 4 times. I want to display it 4 times. I, Mr. Jarvik S. It has been displayed 4 times. Or I am going to display. I want to display something 5 times. I, Mr. Jarvik Srikanth S. Ravla. It will be displayed 5 times. Is this clear? So this is for you people. This is I is equal to 1. It is initialization. I is less than or equal to 5. This is condition checking. Hey, no drop. I am checking the condition whether I is less than or equal to 5 or less than 5 or equal to 5. Here what I am doing increment I plus plus. Okay. Go through this one. Go through the syntax first. Otherwise, better you people go through this one. Go through this one, guys. We are not in a hurry. Take your time. Take time for 5 minutes. First expression is initialization. Second one is condition checking. Third one is increment or decrement. Let me check the attendance. 22. Okay. Thank you, guys. Is anyone to say something? Anything?
Implementation of simple calculator by using PHP operations. So we all know that how we are going to become the PHP operations.
Okay, go through this one, guys.
Sample code.
You first expression is initialization.
So you can ask me a question by saying this is equally this to design a web page. CSS code. So as I started with the screen, there is a table I'm using. Why I'm using the table here is this is calculated operations. There are some operations which are going to be used in calculator. Of course, there will be addition, will be there, subtraction will be there, and multiplication. There is one table I'm representing with this table vector and then table call. So order is the one next. It should be the solid color and last one is
ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ
text alignment.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಗುರು 4 ಗಂಟೆ
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಲೋ ಸಿಕ್ತು
3 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಅದೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ
Me and a class, I just logged out.
This is the syntax. This is the syntax, this is the flowchart, and this is the example.
Is it clear now? Serish? Or Vikas, Sudosh, Pandit? Someone please respond. There is some technical
If this is clear, reply for. If you have understood the concept of for loop, reply for. Reply for. Okay, go through this example. Is the screen visible, Pushkar?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, go through this program. Simple program. For first step is initialization, second one is condition checking, third is increment or decrement. If you have device, how many of you are using laptop? Reply L. Reply L or C. Reply L if you are using laptop or computer. Reply C or L if you are using laptop or computer. Reply L. Okay guys, no, I cannot pressurize you people, but If you have a laptop or a computer and if you are not using that one, that is the biggest sin, guys. Okay. If you don't have laptop or computer, aram se chill out. Master in there won't be nothing difference. They may get hands-on experience and you may not get hands-on experience. That's the difference ಏನilla. Don't worry, chill out. Go through this one.
I think it's clear now. Around 11. It's clear now. Yeah, we do some bad network and
Girls, see now time is 2:51. At 2:55, I will ask you people individually about this program. I have some more questions to ask. Okay, you should answer, no?
Table column, which I consider is in a border is a vertical. It should be in a solid color, black, and the width is 35%. And text alignment should be center, and background color is a dark gray. Again, we are giving the input for the simple calculated options, just like the table we give the numbers, number 1, number 2. For the table as margin should be ordered, and input be whatever we are entering, that should be in the alignment right. So this is my CSS code which we are writing, and the header of the program we are closing, and again we are going to start writing the body of the program and HTML body, and show you there we are going to be writing the PHP code for this. So here I am going to use the form of post method. So you all know that there are two methods we use to use the method and the post method. So post method we are going to use for a secure way. So that's the table it is going to be start. The caption is it should be writing within the header.
Girls, little bit be serious.
Simple calculation.
I have a simple doubts, guys.
Close the caption. Close that particular row which we are going to be enter. So I am going to
Take 3 more minutes time.
writing the row in the first row. In the first row.
Girls,
First column. That should be
it's true, guys. It's not only girls. Guys, I will ask you people to turn the video mode in your devices at 2:55. Okay. If you are comfortable, you can turn on the video mode in your devices. If you are not comfortable, say sir, no sir, we are uncomfortable. Next class we will from next class we will turn the video mode.
And that is how we are dividing into two rows.
Okay, let me ask the question. All of you turn on the video mode and project yourselves.
Use it. One it is input, submit button, variables, calculate. It has been divided. That row will be divided into two span. Second number, as usual, same. Second row we will start with the same way only we are writing this. So second number, input type is equal to text, name is equal to number. As I have explained in the question, number 1 and then number 2 will be giving the input. So as I have started with the form method and closing the form here and table, it is still continuing. So
Others.
So what I am going to do is, so in the PHP you have to give an input. What is that we are going to give an input? So we are going to give an input to calculate the addition of two numbers.
Others.
Subtraction of two numbers, and then we are going to see the division of
Girls.
two numbers, and then we are going to see what are the
Girls, be ready.
which we are going to be calculating the time.
I will call by your name.
That's all. This is a simple mathematical calculation.
It may be Monisha, or it may be Naveshri, or it may be Neetu, or it may be Nishan, Nishita, Nitin, Nivedita, Shashireka, or Pooja, or Prajwal, Pranav, Preeti, or it may be Pushkaranjan. It may be whomsoever, guys. Guys, here I want to display the numbers from 1 to 100. How can I do? Reply in the chat box. I want to display the numbers from 1 to 100. Girls, especially girls, I need the answer from you people. I want to display the numbers from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100. I should use 100 printf statements, or how can I do? Reply through chat box. I want to display the numbers from 1 to 100, guys. Irrappa, adela bitbidi. Did you understand this program? for loop. This program what I have given. Reply this if this program is understood. Let's go slowly. I'm not in a hurry. Let's go slowly as much as possible because it's new for you people. Reply this if this program is understood.
I am using writing the code for the subtraction. Multiplication. The row column multiplication. Close the row, close the column. Number 1 multiplied with number 2.
Now,
Okay. Division.
next.
Number 1 division of number 2.
Okay, next guys.
We are going to close the table.
What about others? Monisha, ಯಾರು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Or Shashirekha?
I mean, it says that your number is an enter a valid number. Instead of writing a number in front of it, you want to enter some capital.
Only few people have responded. Nitin, Nishita.
Valid number. So this is what we are going to be used for finding the
Guys, didn't you understand this program?
PHP. Using that PHP. Are you all with me? Are you all with me?
Let me display only this much. I.
Akansha? Akansha? Akansha?
See here, I has been displayed 5 times.
Balaji? Yeah. Bayash? Ashutosh?
Girls, didn't you understand that program? Yes or no?
Okay. Suresh, you just open Xam in your system. You just open a Xam in your system.
There is no fun in continuing, guys, if you are not understood.
I will show you how to execute this.
Reply hi, everyone.
Particular system should get you, not in that. Show you how we are going to be executing this.
Pushkar, Shashirekha, Nitya, Pranav Sarup,
Here, we have a simple
Pranav Sarup, Pooja, Monisha, Nishita, Pushpa, Monisha MV. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? Didn't you understand that program?
divided into a row column.
Reply yes or no?
The button I will
Understood or didn't understood?
button is input text is equals to submit, name is equals to submit the value that has been two rows have been divided into. This is two rows has been divided into this two column rows. Two rows column in the span. So span-
ಇವಾಗ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾ.
Operation, subtraction, multiplication.
Shashirekha, now Shashirekha, okay now.
Here the first number.
I want to display the numbers from 1 to 100 ma. How can I do?
Enter. You just submit the button.
I want to display the numbers 1 to 100. Is it a good practice to use 100 printfs or is it a good practice to use 100 printfs or any other method is there? What I should do? You can turn on the video mode in by using loop, by using for loop. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ by using for loop ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Okay, by using for loop, Monisha. How? Can you write in a piece of paper and share to me?
Division value 0 if you want to enter. Division value will show you the.
Huh?
Of course, we all know that. If you see as a
Can you people write in a piece of paper and share to me?
enter the value of our number one should be the.
Okay guys, 2:59 time now. 2:59 time out. You do one thing, take 10 minutes. Don't Google it. Don't Google it. Exam allappa. One mark illa. It doesn't have even a single mark. Okay? It doesn't have even a single mark. Do one thing. Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper and write the program to display the numbers from 1 to 100. It is not examination. It is not examination. I'll give you 10 minutes time from 2:59 to 3:10. I need you people to display the numbers from 1 to 100.
So I've explained very clearly.
Did you get the question? If you have got the question, reply Q.
Yes, Cherish, I can see that.
Start writing. No cheating, guys. It's not examination, pa. Try ಮಾಡಿ. Try it out. Try all the possible things. It is not one thing for guys. Shashirekha, it's not examination, ma. Monisha, it is not examination. Nitin, it's not examination. Pranav Swarup, it is not examination. Whomsoever, it is not examination. It's between Srikanth and some 22 people. Let's have some casual discussion. Okay? Go through this, guys. If you want, you can take this program as reference.
Which is you have this text file, this word file. Open this word file. This manual word file. Yeah, this one. You have it right already. Let's do one thing. Go to chat box. Cherish, you can see the code which I've posted in the chat box.
Take your time, guys.
Already I've sent a manual now. You have that. Last class, last class we have seen. Yeah. Okay, it should be in.
It is not examination. Just for our understanding, we are doing.
File name.
First,
Calculator.
first thing in learning is we should do mistakes, guys.
Have you pasted this second code also, which I've entered? Check it properly. Okay. Yeah, both should be in a single file. Both should be in a single file. It's a continuation. After closing the form, they just open the PHP.
Completed, sir.
Wait till 3:30, boss.
Yes.
Down you select down text all files. There. Select all files. Yeah, calc.php. HT. Okay, save. Open local.
Hey, don't share in the group, man.
Open local. Yeah. What is the file name? Can see that. Some error will be showing. Okay. What is the 44 line number? Line number 44. Number? Yeah. Okay. Save. Save. Yeah. Use some number.
I will give you time till 3:05.
Calculate. Press the calculate button. Yes. Are you guys able to see this? Hello? Are you all with me? Type 20 only. Okay, 20 plus.
Guys, do one thing. Share the pics in that group, in your lab group.
Calculate. Press.
Share it
Guys, are you all
here.
with me? Hello? Hello? Akansha.
Share the images here.
Akansha. You understood the simple calculator
Pushkar.
function using PHP? You are doing it. Good. Can you share your screen after finish?
Pushkar, did you get the output?
Once if you're done it.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So Akansha Kumari, are you there? Abhishek Damsena? Arun Mohan Kumar?
Hey, Naveen, it's not correct, man.
Have you done it, ma? Are you doing it? Are you understood, ma? Okay. Ananta Krishna?
Pushkar, this one, Naveen.
Yes, sir.
You understood? Anjali Singh? Archana? Bhavna? Jayalakshmi? Bhumika? Bhumika? Haripriya? Firoz? Ganesh?
Hey, Pushkar.
Himavarsha?
I told you to display the numbers from 1 to 100, not I 100 times.
Not, okay. So now what you
Oh,
have to do
okay,
is
sir.
Oscar.
Correcting it, sir.
posting a question in an assignment. So I want each and every student should do it and post it in the assignment today only. The complete 8%. The complete 8 1.
Nitin
What's the
MS.
class today? So today is 1st July. Therefore I'm posting one more.
Yes, sir.
Yes, even your program. In printf, you have done mistake, man, Nitin.
Okay,
Hey
sir.
guys, if you want to fetch something in printf, you should use something like hey, irappa, enter a number. The output, the sum of two numbers is. Will you use percentage D or not there? Girls, the sum of two numbers is.
Are you able to say this?
Will you use percentage D or not? The sum of two numbers is. The area of a rectangle is. The area of a circle is.
Everybody should execute this and you need to be post here. Assignment section. Are you able to see the question?
Chaudhary.
Can you check it your this thing?
Chaudhary. Sheshi Chaudhary. I asked you people to display the numbers from 1 to 100, not Sheshi or something. I want you people to display the numbers from 1 to 100.
Is it right? You all got the notifications, right? Okay. So already one program we have executed, another ECD. It's very simple one. You know, transpose of a matrix and
Girls, I did not get any response from girls.
And then you need to be.
It may be whomsoever.
So this is the transpose of a matrix. So let you take the two matrices.
Shashireka.
Matrix A and then B. Enter some numbers in that matrix row and then column. There are here it is a 3 by 3 matrix we are entering. So after entering, so the row will be converted into a column, column will be converted into a row. That will be the transpose of a matrix. So however you are converting, so this will be converting automatically. Don't worry about it. You just execute this particular code. How you are going to be doing? Just we are applying the formula. Like how we are doing the matrix transpose of the matrix. First matrix you need to be entered. We are defining the two matrices. Enter the first matrix number, second matrix
Monisha.
number. Next that transpose the matrix, how the function will be working as I told, rows will be converting the column.
Monisha, syntax tabbardi
Rows. Next is multiplication of two matrices. Same matrices with be a vector. So that is multiplication of two. And then addition of two matrices. So we just do this.
Guys, go through that. Wait, let others also respond. Monisha, nindu printf alli
Post into the assignment.
percentage D. Hey, Alama.
Sharish, can you take this?
Percentage D should be enclosed with double quotes or entirely it should. No, double quotes, so it is only for percentage D or full entire program.
Please do practice the programs. That is very
See here.
important for you. There will be a 20 marks for the semester only for the programs.
Here, one second.
Yes, you can connect.
Def. Girls,
Sir,
go
I
through
got
this.
it, sir.
Wait, man. Hey, which is correct? One second. Let others. Percentage D. This is correct or? Percentage D. I. Which is correct? First one or second one? This is first one.
First one, sir.
ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಮ್ಮ? This is second. Which one is correct? Only 5 people have responded. Hey, others share the images. In the WhatsApp group, you share the images.
Sir, output bantu but wrong bantu. Hello sir, I'm audible. Hello sir.
Hey, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. Be louder.
Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
Be louder, man.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಹೇಳು.
ಸರ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂತು ಬಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಐಪ್ಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋ
1 2 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಳಿಸ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀವು? ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈತೀವನ, ಹೊಡಿತೀವನ? అందరూ క్యూలో ఉంటారా? విజయదానికి
శాలరీ డౌన్ చేసే రీజన్ కొట్లాడతా ఇట్లా అంత శాలరీ అప్ చేసి బోనస్ ఇచ్చి
నవీన్ కుమార్, one mistake you have done, man. It is I or ampersand I, Naveen Kumar.
శాలరీ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ బోనస్
ಪೂಜಾ, ನಿಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಬಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎನ್ ಕಮ ಆಂಬಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜಾ. The phone number ending with 120. Even you percentage D slash n ampersand I. Okay, most of you have done correctly. Let me only do this one. Simple appa. Percentage D. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಬದಲು percentage D slash n comma ampersand I. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದು. I is less than 10. I will take enough. One second, I might have done some mistakes somewhere. It's just I, guys. Sorry. See here, I got the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Did you people understand this program? If you have understood, reply A ascending order. Reply ascending if you have
Sir.
understood. Helapa.
Sir, why we use and symbol for some variable, sir?
That address, to store the address, man. That is in 5th module. Pointers.
Okay, so this and symbol if we use for I here, so
It gives the Suno.
Yes.
Let me clarify to you. If I use and here, what it is going to do is it is not going to give the value of that variable. It is going to give the address of this one. See here, now the address of I is this one. Even now it is going to display 10 numbers for us. What it is going to do is it is going to display the address of 1, address of 2, address of 3, address of 4, address of 5, address of 6, address of 7, address of 7, address of 8, address of 9, and address of 10. But if I give just I, it is going to give the value of I.
Okay, sir, understood.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Okay, sir.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, nothing difference, only that's the difference. Go through that program, and if you have understood, reply understood. Reply ascending. Reply ascending. Go through this one for 5 minutes.
పొద్దున్న ఇప్పుడు 12:40
Nitin, no, Shishireka, Monisha, Pushpa, Naveshri, boys, Pushkar, Naveen.
2:50 ఫోన్ చేసుకోలేదు.
Go through this one, not in a hurry. If I want all the 10 numbers in a single line, what I can do is I can remove this slash n. Now you people understood what is the beauty of slash n. See here now, all the numbers will be from in a single line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me give 100. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಎನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 99, 100. Now you people got to know the difference or the value of slash n, right? If you have got the value of slash n, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು. If I don't give slash n, everything will be in single line, all the output. Let me check how many people are given. Ascending right. So Nitin, Shishireka, Monisha, Pushpa. Okay. Now you people write the program to do the same display of numbers in descending order. Read, madam, read down a program. The same program you make changes in such a way that I should get the numbers in descending order. And share to me in WhatsApp. The same program I need to get the output in descending order. Do that one and share. Descending order. Do that one.
So in Google, it is just type object. So just see it. What's it counting? Right? You can just click on this.
Take your time, guys. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Here there is a number button, right? So you can download from here. Okay. If you need any other versions, you just go on here. You can download the appropriate version which you want. You just update it. You have update communication tool for the exam 7.0 exam. Right? So all this, which are the appropriate version you need, you can just download the academic inside your systems. So that it can be used for server development. Right? So once it is installed, then
Nitin MN, Nitin MS, Pushkar,
so how to use
Naveen Kumar Singh.
serverlet development.
Most of you have done correctly,
To
guys.
create a serverlet, you will need to access to a serverlet development.
I am expecting the response from girls. Take your time.
Serverlets, we need access to a serverlet development engine that is Tomcat. What is this Tomcat? It is an open source product maintained by Jack Microsoft, the Apache Software Foundation, right? It contains libraries, documentation, and runtime support that can be used to create and test serverlets. Okay. just observe it. The libraries which are required and the documentation part which is required to execute the servlet means servlet is nothing but a server. So in the previous class I gave you an example, real-time example of portal management, right? So where we will use this ASP concept and where
Others did not share the responses.
right? How the servlet will be acting. Java runtime environment, whenever an HTTP request is come from the client machine. So this Java runtime environment will load the servlet into the server's address. In turn, it calls the init method to initialize
Monisha.
the servlet.
ತಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ
Service
ಮನುಷ್ಯ
method, so service method is responsible.
ಐ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೀ 1 to 100 ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 100 to 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಯಶಿ ಚೌಧರಿ
Okay, sir.
ಏನಮ್ಮ
Okay, sir. I got it.
ನೀನು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ 1 to 100 ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ 100 to 1 ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ
Oh, 100 to 1, sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಶುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಶಿತಾ ಇವನ್ ನಿಶಿತಾ ಇವನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾ ಶೇಷಿ ಚೌಧರಿ ಚೌಧರಿ ಇವನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಸಾರಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಶೇಷಿ ಚೌಧರಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್
Sir, it's me, Shashirek. Shashirek, sir.
ಓಕೆನಮ್ಮ ಸಾರಿ
Yes.
ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100 ಐ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 I greater than 0 I minus minus
Servlet, right? That part is the So how is the servlet will handle the one? Then it will contact the JDBC. In turn, it will contact the JDBC. That is the information source, right? Whatever the request which is coming from the client machine. If I need the service, then I should get the information from somewhere else, right? So it will contact the JDBC, access the information.
I will give slash n here
Affects the file which is required by the client machine. Then it will the response, and then that's it.
here
Right. So this is how the execution.
you got the output as is the screen visible I'll give from 10 to I'll give from 8 guys 8 see here 8765432
Processes that.
you have understood guys ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ practice ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
I just wanted to make bold, right?
I'm not blaming you
I just
people
wanted to make it bold. Directly, I cannot go to the bank's war room or secure the room, right? I cannot keep my gold. I cannot get the amount directly, right? So I have the right, and the war room or the security room which is having inside the bank is a JDBC, the data source.
if you have understood this one reply
In between
descending
and the store, right? There is a middle.
if you have understood this program reply descending
So he is the banking employee, right, who deals with the login section, right? So he is a servlet, he is acting as a server. So what you will do, you will receive a request from me, right? You will receive a request from me, you will check is the store, if it's available, then you will take that and you will serve the account, right? So this is what where the servlet will be acting. Here. Similarly, I give one more example with respect to the portal management, right? So whenever you give an order, so order should be displayed for the user. For that we are using JSP file. Right? Once the order is sent, then the servlet has to process that. How to process? It has to contact the put who is preparing the food, right? Then what it will do, you will go to storeroom and you will bring all the raw materials, then you prepare the food, then serve. So what is servlet? Giving back to the client machine, that is response.
okay
This is the task of the servlet.
guys I want you people to ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು I want you people to do write a program to do to display 1 4 9 1 4 9 16 and goes on square. How to do that one? Let me explain to you people. Let's not waste our time. I is equal to 0 for I is equal to 1. I less than
the documentation.
10 I plus plus percentage D. ನಾವು percentage D ತಗೊಬೇಕು. percentage D, comma I, comma I into I. Let me see what will be the output of this one.
Can you kindly respond, please?
1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 2. 3 into 3, 9. 1 ones are I, guys. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. Go through this program. I have changed only this part. I have included one more percentage D and I into I. Guys, is this understood? Reply square. Reply square if this program is understood. We can do wonders, guys, actually. These are all simple. Next, in the same program, if I want to display the multiples, instead of I into I will make 2 into I. Now every number will be multiple of 2. See here. Two into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 2 is 6. Hey, not about 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Stop there. Hey, there. ಜ್ಞಾಪದ ನೋಡಿ ಅದೇ ಕಾಪಾಡೋದು. Guys, is this clear? Reply 2 if it is clear, just number 2. Hey, it's working, man. Hey, response ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾ? నేను ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಬ್ರು ತಾನು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಸುಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Okay guys, is this far understood? If it is understood, reply for. you practice different patterns.
ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವಳ ಲಿಂಗ ವಚನಪ್ಪ వాళ్ళు ఇంక చూస్తారు మా ఎవరు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కావాలి ఎవరు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కావాలి అని. Okay guys, thank you. You can leave for the day. Let's see while and do I loop in the next classes.